Jesus fuck. You alright there, buddy? Alright. Alright. It is motorcycle washing day. Come on, guys, turn. You can make it. It's motorcycle washing day. I'm excited. Last wash of the year. Don't do it. They all occupied? Holy shit. Well, now we wait, I guess. Into the to soap we go. Jeez. Zizz. Alright. Well, we are clean enough. I'll pick up some road crime on the way home, though, unfortunately. Ooh, and wet hands do not want to go back in those gloves. Damn. Yeah, this is definitely a summer activity with less gear. Whew. Well, glasses are a little bit wet, but the bike is clean. I have to go insanely fast so it dries off quickly. As I said, 37.5 or 36.5 is the ice warning on here. Oh, what the fuck is wrong with your truck, man? It's gonna cover my bike in just straight soot.